What did improving learn from analyzing a manufacturer's GenAI proposal assistant? The customer's GenAI assistant was designed to help them generate proposals, and it hit some architectural roadblocks. The system relied on a traditional vector-based RAG approach. It lacked semantic depth, used monolithic prompts, and there was no mechanism to retain and reuse the knowledge it built. No validation loops to catch hallucinations. Improving recommended a shift to a hybrid graph RAG-based architecture that enables multi-hop reasoning, persistent knowledge reuse, and modular workflows, embedding validation engines to improve accuracy and trust. The team at the customer had strong business context skills, but needed upskilling in orchestration frameworks, semantic retrieval, and ML ops. The phased partnership approach, embedding improving experts, co-delivering the foundational elements, and then transitioning ownership back to the team over 6 to 12 months, creates an important step forward and highlights the importance of future-ready architecture. Without it, the most promising AI tools can fall short. With it, you unlock scalable, reusable, and trustworthy systems.